Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of OpenAI API, and I'm here to guide you through the basics. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to take your tech game to the next level. If you're a developer or IT engineer looking to harness the power of artificial intelligence, then OpenAI API is your new best friend. This cutting-edge platform allows you to access state-of-the-art AI models and create powerful applications with just a few lines of code. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started. The first step is to head to the OpenAI website and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the API and all its features. Now, here's the key insight. OpenAI API uses natural language processing to understand and respond to human language. This means you can teach your applications to understand and communicate with users in a more human-like way. Pretty cool, right? Now let's see this in action. Say you want to create a chatbot for your website. With OpenAI API, you can easily train your bot to understand and respond to customer inquiries in a natural and conversational manner. No more robotic and scripted responses. Plus, the more your bot interacts with users, the more it learns and improves. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. But that's not all. OpenAI API also offers a powerful feature called GPT-3, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. This model is trained on a massive amount of data, allowing it to generate human-like text and even complete tasks like writing code or summarizing articles. Imagine the time and effort you can save with this tool at your disposal. So, whether you're looking to create smarter chatbots, improve customer service, or develop groundbreaking AI applications, OpenAI API has you covered. And as a tech-savvy audience, I know you're always looking for the latest and greatest tools to enhance your skills. So here's my call to action. Head to the OpenAI website and start exploring the possibilities. Trust me, you won't regret it. And that's it for today's Fastlane Tech Training. I hope you found this practical guide helpful in getting started with OpenAI API. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials, and thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning and keep innovating.